This is a technique for general lumbar spine pain, which can be applied to either the spinous process or off onto the transverse process and the main bulk of erectors. Both of these have been applied with mild tension over the main site of pain. To finish the technique, we will complete a star shape by placing an anchor with no tension in the top corner, removing the backing tape and applying over towards the opposite corner with mild tension. The final piece will be added again from the top corner, anchoring off with no tension, removing the backing tape and applying across to the final corner with mild tension. Once all are in place, rub over the tape to provide a good adhesion to the skin.